accounting is called the language of business. And as a business owner, it's very important that you be able to understand the language. Look, many small business owners, they have an accountant who does the financial statements for them, they sign it and file it away. That is not the way to run your business. As a qualified accountant with over 30 years experience, I'm saying to you the best way to run your business is to have monthly or quarterly management accounts and to use your financials, turn them into a story on your business performance, a story on how well you are growing your business, how well you're controlling your business, and that can really help you to make more informed decisions. That's exactly what I specialize in. And if you really want to discuss that in detail, there'll be an opportunity for you, to book in a strategy call with me or to book in a call with me to find out more about how I can help you to grow your business, to manage money better, or even if you want to invest some of your profits in income generating assets, I can help you with that as well.